Everyone. We are reading chapter 6, that is birds. And today we will discuss about the beaks of the birds. What are the uses of these birds? Why these are in different shapes? What is the uses of this shape? So let's see it. So bird use their beaks to catch and eat a food, and beaks are of different shape depending on the kinds of food they are eating. Okay, all birds are not eating same kinds of food, so the beaks are depends upon the what kind of food they are eating. Okay, so sparrow have a strong beak so that they can crack open and nut and seeds. So sparrows have a very strong beak. It can crack and it can eat the seeds from cracking the nuts and all. Okay. Now hummingbirds and sunbirds have a long, narrow, pointed and straw-like beak that help them suck nectar from flower. They used to eat a flower. They used to suck a nectar of the flower, means juice of the flower. So that is why their beak is in like a tube shape. Okay, pointed tube shape that they can easily suck the juice of the flower. Got it? Now duck have a broad and flat beak with a hole on either side. You can see the hole are there on the duck nose. So to drain out the water, leaving the worms, means they are eating the worms from the water. So when they are eating the worms from the water is coming out and the worms is should go inside with the help of this hole. The water, the extra water is come out from this hole. So insects and plants eat in their mouth. Okay, in their mouth. Birds use their beak for gathering the materials that they use for making nests. Also, they use this beak to gather the materials. Like, what are the materials they are using to make a nest? Straw, grass, okay, strip of clothes, sticks. So they are using different types of material to make their what? To make their nest. So they are using their beak to collect the materials. Okay, now they also they also use their beak for cleaning their feathers and feeding their young ones. They are using this beak to feed their young ones because they are very small, they cannot eat by self, so they are giving the things into their mouth with the help of this beak because they don't have hand to support. So that is why they are using their beak to feed their young ones. Got it, children? So these beaks are very important for the birds. Now, feet. What are the uses of these feet? Different. See, the shapes of the feet are very different. So let's see what. So birds' feet are different size and shape. They have two feet with a 4 to 3 or three of which face towards and one backward. You can see three are facing towards and one is backside. Feet are used to walk, hop, hold, and catch a prey and pick things. They used to hop, they used to walk, they used to catch a prey. They are holding when they are sitting on the branches of the tree on the wire. They are using to hold the sea. As you can see, they are holding the branches of the tree when they are sitting. Okay, now some birds like crow, sparrow, and minus perch on the branch of tree that they have two that help them to grip and hold branch firmly. Okay, they can hold that a branch very tightly that they should not fall down. That is why their feet are in this way. Okay, now birds like hen have sharp and hard claw to scratch at the ground and dig out the insects and grain. Many of them seen the hen. They are digging the ground. They are throwing the things here and there with the help of their legs because their legs are very sharp and it's helped them to get the insects out of the out of the soil. That's helping them very much. Okay, so birds like eagle and hawk have a strong, sharp, large and curved claw known as talons. Okay, they have very sharp and that is very strong. They use to hold the flesh of the dead animal. Okay, woodpecker have feet and tooth that help them to cling to the tree and trunk and climb up. Their toes are very strong. They are using their clean tool climb on the tree because they are wood pickers. They used to pick the woods. Okay. Now aquatic birds like duck and swan have webbed fitted that help them in swimming. See, the webbed fitted means joining fitted. Okay, they are using this for the swimming in water because most of the time they are spent in water. And some birds like ostrich have two toes instead of four, which they use for running. All birds have four toes, but these ostriches have only two. So these two toes, they are helping in running because ostrich can run very fast among all the birds. So the speeds are different types, and they have a different uses, different functions they are using for a different purposes. Got it, children? So you go through the lesson. Okay. Thank you, everyone.